Dear students, we go fourth lecture of solutions. Today we study numericals based upon mole fraction, molarity and molality. Clear? The first numerical is taken for mole fraction. Let the numerical write 138 gram ethanol, that is C2H5OH, is mixed with 270 gram of water. Find mole fraction of each. The atomic weights for hydrogen is 1, for oxygen 16, for carbon is 12. How you solve to it? First you find number of moles of both. And for number of moles, we require molar mass. So we go first. Molar mass of ethanol. Formula of ethanol is C2H5OH. So there will be 12 into 2 plus the 1 into 5 plus 16 plus 1, it comes 46. And then you find molar mass of water. It will be, according to formula H2O, the 1 into 2 plus 16, that is 18. Now, find number of moles of ethanol, that is Ne. You know, number of moles is equal to gram weight upon molar mass. Gram weight upon molar mass. Gram weight is given 138 in your question upon 46. You divide to it, it comes 3. Clear? Now, find number of moles of water. In the same way, it will be gram weight upon molar mass, that is 270 upon 18. Find what value comes? It comes 15. Now you find mole fraction of ethanol, that is Chi. It will be number of moles of ethanol upon number of moles of ethanol plus water. Let's take a total number of moles in solution. So it will be 3 upon 3 plus 15. It is 3 upon 18. It comes 1 upon 6. Now you find mole fraction of water. In the same way, this will be equal to 15 oblique 3 plus 15. That is 15 oblique 18. It comes 5 upon 6. You check your answer by adding the both. It should be come unity. That is fine. in the same way. Clear? Now we go in the next numerical. An aqueous solution of acetic acid mole fraction of water is 4.4. Find mole fraction of acetic acid. Within bracket given H is equal to 1, C is equal to 12, O is equal to 16. That's our atomic weights. Sometimes in numericals, some values are given for only confusion, which are not used. These values have no use in the numerical. No need of molar mass or number of moles. Clear? Hence given chi for water is 4.4. And your question is chi for acetic acid. What is the value? And you know sum of mole fraction of all components always 1. So sum of both should be 1. Now you require mole fraction of acetic acid is 1 minus mole fraction of water. It comes 1 minus 4.4. Sorry, you correct some. Their value is 0.44. 0.44. Clear? Now you put the value. You change your question there, 0.44. Now you got answer. इसको माइनस करें, फाइंड आउट कर लें क्या आपका आ रहा है. Clear? It will be 0.56. Now again we go next question. A container contains 0.7 moles of N2, 0.8 moles of H2 and 0.5 moles of Cl2. Find mole fraction of each. Let's try this numerical. No, but are given your question. They are given number of moles of N2. 0.7. Number of moles of hydrogen 0.8 and number of moles of chlorine 0.5. You find total number of moles. Total moles. It is 0.7 plus 0.8 plus 0.5. You add all three values, it comes 2.0. Now, mole fraction of nitrogen. There will be number of moles of nitrogen upon total number of moles. That is 0.7 upon 2.0. You calculate to it. In the same way, number of moles of H2 upon number of moles of solution is mole fraction of H2. It will be 0.8 upon 2.0. And mole fraction for chlorine, number of moles of chlorine upon total moles. Number of moles of chlorine are given 0.5. So upon 2.0. You calculate all these values and sum of all three should be 5. Now, the next question. Find mole fraction of sugar. You know the formula of sugar? C12H22O11. And it's 20% solution by mass. Clear? Now, first you find molar mass of sugar. It comes 12 into 12. 12 is the atomic weight of carbon and 16 into 11. You calculate to it. It may be 342. It may be 342. Now, 20% by mass. Sugar solution. You know its meaning is 20 gram. Sugar is present in 100 gram solution. 100 gram solution. Clear? Now, gram mass, the gram weight of sugar is 20 gram. So, gram weight of water, what will be? There, 100 gram solution minus solute. That is 80 gram. Now you find number of moles of each. Number of moles. First you find number of moles of sugar. It will be gram weight upon molar mass. Gram weight is given 20 and molar mass is given 342. You solve to it. And the same way, number of moles of water. It will be its gram weight 80 upon its molecular weight. and salt rate. Now you find mole fraction of sugar. That is Chi for sugar. It will be number of moles of sugar upon number of moles of solution. The number of moles of sugar plus number of moles of water. First you divide and find these values and put these values and calculate and find out answer. This is exercise for you. Now another question. Clear? Point 745 gram KCl is dissolved into 200 ml of solution. Find molarity. Find molarity. You know, for potassium atomic weight 39, for chlorine 35.5. First you find molar mass of KCl. For potassium 39 plus 35.5, it comes 74.5. Clear? आपको molarity find करनी है. You know molarity. What will be molarity? Here gram weight upon molar mass of solute, that is KCl, and liter solution of a liter volume of solution. What is gram weight? Is given in your question. 0.745. And molar mass of KCl is 74.5. And liter volume of solution. Volume is given in milliliter. So you divide by 1000 for converting in liter. It will be in moles per liter. That is 0.745 upon 74.5 upon 1000 upon 200. You can write there word molar. Molar. Clear? Now it is divided in this. Zero तो cancel हो रहे हैं आपके. ठीक है? डेसिमल भी आपका एक पोजीशन से यहाँ आ जाएगा. एक जीरो से रिप्लेस करेंगे, यहाँ आ जाएगा. It comes 74.5 upon 745 into 1 upon 2. और कैपिटल M से लिख सकते हैं. Becomes much easy. Divide to it 0.1, that is 1 upon M upon 20. ठीक है? M upon 20. Yes, वो नेक्स्ट लाइन में लिखें. m upon 20. M upon 20 means 1 upon 20 moles per liter. Now we go another question. "45 gram glucose is dissolved in 400 grams of solvent to prepare solution. Find molality. Find molality. Not molarity. Clear? First you find molar mass of glucose. You know formula of glucose is C6H12O6. 12 6 plus 1 into 12 plus 16 6 सबको ऐड करें, ठीक है ना? पॉसिबल इट कम्स 180. आप ऐड करके चेक कर लें, तो उसको हो सकता है मे बी ऐड करके तब. नाउ there gram weight of solvent is given. Clear? Gram weight of solvent is given. Solvent may be water. ठीक है ना? ये as water के लिए हम लोग लेकर के चल रहे हैं. Clear? Now there molality is equal to, you know, gram weight upon molar mass upon kilogram weight of solvent. ये किसके लिए था? सॉल्यूट के लिए था ऊपर, और नीचे सॉल्वेंट के लिए. What is gram weight is given? 45 upon 180. किलोग्राम weight of solvent you convert, ये ग्राम में दिया था, convert into kilogram by dividing 1000. 400 divided by 1000. It come in the molal or mole per kilogram. It is 45 upon 180 into 1000 upon 400. मोलल या स्मॉलर. ठीक है, इसको बहुत इजी वे में आपका आ गया. अब तो ये इसको सॉल्व करें और फाइंड करें आंसर क्या है. दिस एक्सरसाइज फॉर यू. इसको कैलकुलेट करके अपना आंसर खुद फाइंड आउट करें. Now we go another question. 4.0 gram NaOH is dissolved into 500 ml of water. Find molarity and molality. While density of water is 1.2 gram per milliliter. Clear? That is. Hence, volume of water and solution is taken almost equal. इतना आपको हेल्प के रूप में गिवन है. First you find molar mass of NaOH. It comes 23 plus 16 plus 1 is equal to 40. First you find molarity. It is gram weight upon molar mass of NaOH, that is solute, upon liter volume of solution. मैंने क्वेश्चन में लिखा हुआ है साथ साथ कि सॉल्यूशन और सॉल्वेंट का जो वॉल्यूम है वो आप सिमिलर लेंगे, ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल. देन हाउ यू सॉल्व इट? gram weight is given 4.0 upon 40. They are 500 upon 1000. It comes in liter. So 4 upon 40 into 1000 upon 500. It come in molar, that is capital. बहुत इजी, इसमें कैलकुलेशन ही कुछ नहीं है. ठीक है ना, अपने आप सॉल्व करके साथ साथ देख रहे हैं कि आंसर जो है आपका 1/5 आ रहा है ml. क्लियर? 1/5 ml. ठीक, जीरोस आपके कैंसिल हो रहे हैं, 4 से 4. अब मोलैलिटी के लिए आपको यहां ग्राम वेट चाहिए, वो नहीं गिवन है. हाउ यू फाइंड ग्राम वेट? आइए देखते हैं फिर से इसके लिए. कितना आपने सॉल्व कर लिया, मैं इसको रब कर रहा हूं. नाउ यू फाइंड मोलैलिटी के लिए ग्राम वेट ऑफ वाटर. यू नो, आपने फॉर्मूला पढ़ा, D इज इक्वल टू m अपॉन V. डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम. So mass is equal to density into volume. The density is to given 1.2 gram per milliliter. Into volume is given 500 milliliter. जरा इसको मल्टीप्लाई करें, कितना आपका आ रहा है? It comes 600 gram. Now you find molality. Gram weight upon molar mass upon kilogram weight. That means 4 upon 40 upon 600 upon 1000. It come in मोलर. आगे सॉल्व कर लेंगे. ठीक, सॉल्व इट. क्लियर? ओके, आज के लिए इतनी एक्सरसाइज पर्याप्त है. लर्न एंड सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल. ओके.